Hello everyone, this is Caitlin from Shumatt, China, and today the product we would like to introduce for you is our inject nozzle. And now please let's see it together. This is the product name, Real Inject Nozzle, the quantity 10 pieces, brown logo. Product code M1600P150. Support customized service. Inside packing. This is nozzle needle and inside of it. About warranty here we have 6 months. Focus on the surface, you will see the QR code, the product code, and with the brand logo. The product code is M1600P150. So much for the introduction. At last, follow us and feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.